Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete and remove apps from your app library. All right, so let's begin. So in order to go and remove an app from your app library, what you need to do is either go and hold your finger on the app in the app library or just on your home screen, just like so, and wait for it. And then you'll press on Remove App, then press Delete App. If you just remove from the home screen, the app is going to go and stay in your app library. However, if you aren't getting the option to go and delete the app in the first place, for example, just here it says Remove from Home Screen. This is because you have a setting blocking this. So what you need to do is go and open up your settings just like so. And then once in your settings, you need to go and look for screen time. At the moment, it's in the second section here, but you can always go to the top of your settings and go and search for it, but tap on screen time. Then what you need to do is scroll down, just like so. I'm going to tap on content and privacy restrictions just like this. Then go and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. You may need to enter a passcode to go and get this page here. If you do, just go and enter the passcode you have set for screen time. Then go and tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and then in the Store Purchases and Re-Download section, make sure Deleting Apps is set to Allow. If it's set to Don't Allow, this is what you'll get. As you can see, if I swap across to my app, I'll hold my finger when I press Remove App. As you can see, there's no option to go and delete the app. It only can remove from your home screen, and therefore it's going to go and stay in your app library. So in order to go and remove the app from the library as well, what you need to do is go and allow this setting, like so, for deleting apps. Then you can come back to the app you want to go and delete or remove from your app library, hold your finger on it, and then you can press Remove App, and then you can delete it. And then it's also going to be deleted from your app library. As you can see, it's just disappeared. So that's basically how you can delete and remove apps from your app library. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.